Okay, this is room 4201 at TRS Cap Cana, and this is the best room in the house. And so I want to thank my friend Nest for giving me the tour. Now let's take a look at this living room, and I'm going to go real slow. Now Nest, this is a marina and a beach view, right? Ocean view?
Yes, ocean view and marina view as well.
So it's got both views, the marina view. Go ahead, sir.
Yes.
And so this is both. And let me just, and I'll get some pictures of it too, just so you can see it. Now, Nest, is this just for travel club or anyone can have this?
Anyone can have
Anyone can have this room, okay? So it's not just limited to the travel club. So you got the two views. Now, the first view
yes, the first view is in the front.
Is in the front, and this is
view. We have a valley bed and we have a jacuzzi.
Okay,
next to us.
Right, so you got the valley bed here, and this has got actually a little bit of both. You got the ocean view right here, and then over on this side you got the marina view.
Just right here.
Right, yeah.
In
so
the mornings you can see all the boats, I mean the figures going into the ocean, coming back in the sunset.
And that is exactly true, because I've been out here quite a bit, like at Helios, and you can see the boats, the fishing boats and the yachts coming to and from on the marina. So this is the, go ahead, sir. This is the marina view. And again, this living room is really nice. You can, eat here. And then this side,
we have the jacuzzi.
You got the jacuzzi out here. And again, you got the jacuzzi out here. And then you got the marina view, which is really nice. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Also, just right here, we have a surprise for you.
A surprise? No. Oh, surprises. They always give me surprises.
This place facing directly the ocean.
Oh.
Directly the marina, just right here.
Oh my gosh.
Those are condos next to our property. And this is an outdoor shower.
An outdoor shower.
Yes, the entrance is from the room.
Oh, from the room. So that's an outdoor shower.
Let me open this one.
Sure, my friend. So anyway, and then Zentropia is right over there. This is a beautiful room, and the views are amazing. And you can have a nice little party out here, All right, so Nest is gonna take me back this way. Got some chairs here, and I'll come back and do some pictures. But look at this, oh my gosh. So, and again, this video does not do the room justice. It is really nice. So it's a big room here, you got a big TV. And how big is this room? 90 meters? Or how big?
It's 96 meters.
96 meters. See, then there's your outside. And then this is
the closet.
So a huge closet.
With the steamer, safe, high dryer. And just right here.
And the full-length mirror, which Brittany loves the full-length mirrors. Here's the shower. Excuse me. Here's the sinks. Got a huge shower in here.
And here we have the outdoor shower.
The outdoor shower. How cool is that?
It's really romantic. It's really intimate.
Wow. All right. So maybe let me spin around here. Wow. And then. And then you come right back here to the living room. So Dwight and Connie, this video is just for you. I wanted you to see that my friend Nest gave me a private tour. And I'm gonna get some pictures here in a minute.